Now look, you're seeing Cardano's price on the 1-hour time frame, but with one difference. I, like I hope you, am now obsessed with knowing how all this strong buying in Cardano has been auctioned.
And what does that allow us to see? If we zoom in and start looking at what's happening inside the candles, we'll realize that these clusters are of great importance. But if we look lower, we'll see the cluster where extremely heavy transaction volume took place, from which Cardano's price was able to push upward. Here we again find clusters with high volume that once more were able to push Cardano strongly upward. Clearly, we see how these clusters are very important in the entire rally, and zooming out, it's fairly easy and obvious where institutions are heavily bought into Cardano. What does this mean? That in the same way, if we want to see a bullish explosion in the crypto ecosystem in general, we must see Cardano defend price levels of 0.4502 and, in the worst case, 0.4400. Keep in mind, we have a bearish impulse here. All of this is its correction, and at any moment, a replica could come. A replica that could fail here if buyers defend, but if it overshoots, we know where the limit is in order to keep dreaming of a bullish explosion in the market. Of course, we don't know whether they'll use 0.1 or 0.2, but with what I explained about BNB's chart, you'll be able to cross-analyze to know which Cardano level they'll want to use. And if you're wondering which is the key level for Ethereum, here it's honestly easier, because a boundary level is $3,228, which is none other than the creek of the entire bullish accumulation process. Therefore, as long as we do not decisively lose $3,227 in Ethereum, we'll assume the macro breakout of the wedge can continue, and everything that would represent.